Hi guys, it's Gaming It, and today we're gonna be playing the video place. We're gonna be pizza delivering. We're gonna be playing Roblox pizza delivery. Okay, I have two deliveries right now. Let's go. Yo, what the? Yo, let me in, dude. Yo, okay, I'm inside. Yo, come on, man. Finally, it's over here. Yep. Yo, you're welcome. Enter my car and I'll go back. Yo, yo. Yo, bro. Uh, yeah. Okay, bro. Let's get this. Yo, guys, I think I'm doing so good right now. Yo, this is the best. Wait, what the hell is that thing? I think this is the home. Yep, yep, it is. It is. It is. Okay, wait. Yep, I need to go like this. That's it. I open the door. Yo, how much times did you deliver? I'm an idiot. How much times did you deliver, bro? You deliver like a lot. Is he fat? I think so. Yo, you crashed my car, you asshole. Okay. Yo, come on. Yo, okay, let's get this. Let's go. Let's go. Let's jump into my car. Yeah. Oh, no, no, no. Shit. Okay. Let's get another car. I'm getting another car, okay? That's my new car. Yeah, but. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Okay, dude, let's get. What the heck? Wait, yo, what the fuck? That's. Whose house is that, dude? That is for Vezzer two not two Vezzer 243. Who am I? Yo, what the? I have Vezzer. That's my character. That's not fair. That's not fair. That's my character. That's my character. Yo, bro, that's my home. That's my home. That's me. I did repeat it to myself. Seriously, am I that stupid? And I'm beat. And I'm A2. I don't care, dude. I'm going back to my job. I'm not fired. I'm still here. I'm never being fired. Can't believe this, dude. I delivered pizza to myself. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm being. Okay, that's kind of awkward. Okay. Let's just go back to the pizza place. That's it. Yeah. And I need to get back my job. I'm getting back my job. My job. Don't leave me. That's my job. What the heck? Yeah, finally. I don't need this. Yeah, what the? I'm getting this too, okay? Okay, let's go. That's for B3. Okay, let's go to B3. It's for B3. Okay, B3, we're coming. Okay, that's. Hey, B3, we're coming, man. Yeah, finally. Let's go to that B3 guy. Okay, let's jump out and get his delivery guy. Hey, dude. Thanks. Okay, how do you know that this is delicious? He said that this is delicious. You did not even open the box yet to say that it's delicious. What an idiot. Come back. Okay, dude, let's go. There's no one. Nothing. Nothing to pick up. There's. Who the I am making with? No. That's bullshit, man. Yo. I hate this job. I'm quitting. Not. Yes, I'm quitting the tutorial. Yeah, sure. Yeah, bro, bro. I'm quitting. I'm this job right now. Believe me, I'm this job. Yeah. This. Oh, what the asshole? Bring it back. Okay, bring it back. Like your life song. You know the song, man. Okay, wait. By the way, guys, like and subscribe. All I wanna say. Okay. Yo, when? Oh hell no, hell no, no. I'm this guy. I'm this guy. Yep, 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 yep. I'm him. I'm him. A1, A1. I want to do. Guys, oh, that car is cool. I'm stealing it. I'm a thief. Yeah, I'm taking this car for me. I'm going to my home, man. I'm going to my home. Bye bye. B1, B2, B3, B6. Let's go to another home. I need A2. Okay, this is A3. A2. This is my house. Yo, I'm going. Okay, guys. I'm going back. I'm going back to my job. Okay, I'm going back to my job. What is it? Yeah, I need a job. I'm not gonna be like this. I need a job. I'm not being lazy. Yo, I'm gonna get my job back. I'm getting it back. Okay, this is my job. Yes, I'm back. Yay! Let's deliver something to my dude. I'm getting this car. Let's go. Nope, nope, I just quit it. Okay, dude, let's go. Yo, what the? This is a gigantic house. This is gigantic, bro, but I didn't even need to deliver the pizza. Wait, who was that? Yo, I can't, no, no, goodbye. So, okay, nope. Yep, that's good. Let's go back to the pizza place. You know something? I quit from you guys. You're idiots. I'm quitting. Oh, see this, see this, see this. Getting this. Yep, this. That's what I'm getting. And what the hell? No, I'm getting to pizza. Let's get out of this. Let's go. Closed. I quit that job, okay? Dude. I'm going to be a pizza place. Party Island. Yes. Just do it. Come on, dude. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Yes. I'm excited. Well, yeah. Yo, yo, what the heck? You're freaking rich. That's yours. It's mine. Yeah. Oh, that's mine. No, mine. No, mine. Let's change my house color. Yikes. That's good. And this, no. This is gonna be this color.